This next to me here is the M18 JS2000 jump starter from Milwaukee. It's brand new and it's state of the art because it's one of the only battery powered jump starters that you can get out there. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to attach it to your battery whilst also telling you a little bit about it. So first thing you need to know is that this is, as I say, called the JS2000, and the 2000 is actually the peak ampage of this tool. That means it can jumpstart a petrol engine up to 8.1 litres and a diesel engine up to 3 litres, so it's got a really big capacity. So I'll just attach these on here now, red on first, then the black. Another good feature of this is that it does actually have reverse polarity, so if you don't connect the cables to the right connectors on the battery, then it's not the end of the world because the thing actually won't work. These clamps are also good as well because they're narrower than other clamps, which means you can get into tighter areas. They've also got more teeth, which means you're going to get a better grip, and the springs are really sturdy as well. So if I turn it on, this takes 70 seconds to arm itself, so all I have to do is press the middle button here, and that will then start arming. So 70 seconds, not that long at all. So what else can I tell you about it? Well, on the top here, we have an LED light. It's got 3 different brightness modes, and it also has a flashing mode as well. So if you're on the side of the road, you can stick it on the flash and let people know you're there. Another feature that it has, I can show you here, that it's got a USB-C charging port. So you put your regular phone cable and they charge your devices off it as well. Additionally, we've got a 5 amp battery on it at the moment, and with a 5 amp battery, you can get 50 jumps out of that. So obviously if you have a higher ampage battery, you can get even more jumps out of it. And the actual tool itself has a cycle of 500,000 that this will do. So as I can see now, it's creeping up to 100%. We're on 97% right now. So that is no time at all to arm itself, get ready to jump. 100%. So now all I have to do, press the key button on here because it's ready to go. Car keys to the cameraman. And we're away. The JS2000, seriously capable bit of kit, really impressive and state of the art. You can get yours now at its.co.uk.